Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's quick video, I'll show you how Bizum works in the CaixaBank app, step by step, fully updated for 2025. If you want to send or receive money fast using just a phone number, Bizum is the tool for you. Let's jump right in. Step 1. Open the CaixaBank app. Launch the CaixaBank Now app on your phone and log in using your fingerprint or password. Step 2. Access the Bizum section. From the home screen, tap on the Bizum option. You can usually find it under Transfers or Payments. Step 3. Register if it's your first time. If you haven't activated Bizum yet, you'll be asked to register. Simply enter your mobile phone number and choose the account you want to link. Step 4. Send money with Bizum. To send money, select Send Money. Choose a contact from your phone book or enter a phone number. Type in the amount and confirm. Step 5. Receive money with Bizum. When someone sends you money, it lands directly in the account linked to your Bizum. No need to accept or confirm. It's instant. Step 6. Request money with Bizum. You can also request money from someone. Just enter their number, amount, and hit send. They'll get a notification to confirm. Tip: make sure the person you're sending or requesting money from is also registered on Bizum. Otherwise, they'll be prompted to sign up. That's it. Now you know exactly how Bizum works inside CaixaBank in 2025. Fast, simple, and secure. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.